Right guys, we're just going to have a walk down past Marianos. Absolutely heaving in here the other day, I wouldn't come past. A few in today. Piccadilly there. Yeah, right. And we've got Silverdor. We've got a few in. Before dinner now. Probably is about 12 o'clock now, I should imagine. Somewhere around there.
3 minutes past.
Lots of people about now. And now look who it was last year. Not so many people about. Nah, it's great to see everybody back. I think it's going to be a pretty packed summer this summer. So Pelicanos there. The guys are waiting to go home. Looks at it. One of our regular walks this. Seems to get good views, so might as well keep doing it. Sun's trying to break through, it's raining at the moment, or drizzling. The tourist information and police station. Flash Hotel. You in there? It's starting to look a bit more sunny now.
Look who it is across the road.
What's that?
It's good as Sue.
I don't know where she's going, but yeah, she's out and about.
probably can't see but it's better.
Yeah, Sue's not had the scooter yet. I know what the problem is. I think they're having problems delivering it somehow. I'm hoping. There's Calypso. Great place to stay. They're the two you want if you want to be right by the strip, just off the strip. Really the strip starting over at Morgan's, just over there. That's Flash and Calypso. You want to get down on the strip, they're the ones to find, see what their price is like. Here we go. Of course, you've got the Ambassador over the road as well. That's the first one. First hotel actually on the strip. Either one of them will be fine. If you're not stopping there, guys, you're still going to the entertainment there. Have shows on every night. So yeah, check that out. Don't forget that one on your what's on list. And of course Uncle Ped'S over the road there. Not looking too busy, they've got a few in. It's still a little bit early yet, maybe. There we go. There we go, so I hope you like the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye.